Is it on?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. So we just bought a new condo in the greater Seattle area and we're just going to take you through our new condo. So when you walk in, the door is right behind Babe, he's filming. You come into the kitchen. It's kind of a small kitchen, but we have a lot of plans for this space. So it's primarily like tile countertop and a lot of old appliances. And so we plan to basically gut the whole kitchen, extend it a bit, and get a better countertop. So like either marble or quartz, and change all the appliances. So stainless steel. And yeah, we're very excited. We will put kind of like a rendered model of the kitchen we've designed somewhere in the video. And if you want to see more on that, you can subscribe to our channel below. This is our laundry closet. It has a washer dryer and inbuilt shelves, but we're going to remove those shelves and put in stuff that looks better. Yeah, pretty and exciting. And then right beside the laundry closet, we have the guest half bathroom. So it just has a sink and toilet. It's a decent size, I think. This was given to us by our lovely real estate agent. She was very helpful in kind of guiding us through the process of buying our first condo. So we're very grateful. Thank you, Sue. So coming into the living space, this is a pretty big space. So we're going to actually extend the kitchen a bit into it, just about by like 2 feet. And so we're going to have a small dining table here, and then an 8 feet?
Yep.
An 8 feet or 8 foot.
Mm-hmm.
And we're gonna have an 8-foot couch, kind of right here, L-shaped.
L-shaped couch.
I think it's called like a settee or something.
Yeah.
I don't know. Yeah, so we're gonna have that here, and then a kind of side chair here. We're not doing a center table because I'm not a huge fan of center tables. So we're going to have 2 side tables beside the couch. And then this fireplace, I've never had a fireplace. The inspectors said that we can replace it with a non-wood burning fireplace, but I still have to investigate further. But yeah, we're basically switching it out to one that isn't wood, and we're also retiling the floor and tiling around the fireplace as well. This is our balcony. I have big plans for this balcony. I drink a lot of coffee in the morning, so I'm hoping it's kind of like a space where I can relax and have morning coffee. Bae has his morning tea, and we can just enjoy the sunrise. It's very beautiful outside. There's a lot of greenery, which was one of the reasons why we purchased this property. It's just very nice to be close to nature. This is where we're going to mount our TV. And also we'll have a floating shelf right underneath it for the Apple TV and our speaker. I'm not a huge fan of TVs over fireplaces, hence why we're not mounting it over the fireplace. I feel like the mirror there kind of works better. So now we're gonna go upstairs. Right at the top of the stairs, we have a linen closet. Tons of space for like towels and cleaning supplies. And to the right of the staircase, we have a guest bathroom. This is a full bath. It has the tub, the sink, and the toilet. To start, we're going to change out all the fixtures. We're doing black fixtures throughout the house. But further down the line, we're hoping to maybe change the countertop and change the sink here in this bathroom. Welcome So this is the guest bedroom, but since we both predominantly work from home now, and we just enjoy having our workspaces at home, we're turning this into an office space slash film room slash guest room, depending on who's visiting. But mostly it's going to be our workspaces. So the plan is to have both our desks on this side of the room, and then maybe a couch here or 2 chairs here. And then these closets, our plan is to either redo the inside and like keep the doors, or redo them entirely. We're not 100% sure yet. But yeah. This door leads straight outside. Apparently the old owners used to use this as an Airbnb room. But anyways, so it's right beside, like, I don't know if this is a forest or it's just
Trail.
It's a trail. So we have a dog, and this will be really helpful just to like walk her in the mornings.
Do you want to go outside or outside?
I don't think I want to go outside. Okay. So this is the guest bedroom. Okay. And then there's a hallway, tiny hallway, but a hallway still, that leads to the master bedroom. And this for me was the selling room for this house. Once I walked in, I knew. Okay. So this is the master bedroom. I just love the vaulted ceilings and the window. I think just the triangular shape like at the top, as opposed to it just being like a regular square, was really appealing to me. We still have to find like blinds that can fit this, or like the shape of the window, but I'm fine if we don't find any, to be honest. So the plan for this room is to be very peaceful and tranquil and romantic, kind of hotel-esque. So our current bed is like heavy wood, and I'm not a particular fan of that. So our plan is to get a lower bed with a kind of soft wood frame and a new mattress, of course. And then we're going to have floating shelves on each side. And on this side, the plan is to have a chest of drawers here and a big standing mirror for photos and just checking myself out, mostly. And then over here, we're going to have a reading chair, just because I love to read, just to have that space in the room. And then walking through here, these are the 2 closets. We're changing everything here. So I'm not a huge fan of sliding mirrors on closet doors, so we're going to change these doors, and we're hoping to install the IKEA pack system in the 2 closets. We both kind of have different preferences for storage, so we're going to each do our individual stuff. Next up, we have the master bathroom. Welcome. So it might be small, but we have grand plans for this bathroom. I will insert a sneak peek of what we have planned for the remodel, so that we can open up the space a bit more. This bathroom currently has double sinks and like a huge wall mirror, which I like, but I feel like to be able to utilize the space more functionally, we're going to remove this sink and just add a second sink here with a new cabinets, of course. Mm-hmm. So we're removing this area to a double sink cabinet, and then maybe some storage with floating shelves on the side. And then we're also changing this shower completely to more of like, I guess it's like a glass box. I deserve 2 scoops of ice cream with a chocolate hard shell.
All right.
Thank you. Anyways, if you want to be updated on when our bathroom remodel is complete, you can subscribe down below. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. I'm Chi.
And I'm Tesla.
And thanks so much for watching our empty house tour video. We have a lot more content coming out about remodeling and furnishing parts of our home. So if this is the kind of content you're interested in, please like this video and subscribe down below for more content.
We're here to talk about financial literacy, financial independence, career growth. We're also going to be doing some home remodeling stuff. So we showed you the kitchen, we showed you the bedroom. We have big plans for those. So share with you.
That sounds very like Graham.
I don't care. Make sure you smash the like button. Does that sound right?
Welcome to our channel.
channel.
Yeah.